Hey guys! Today we are going to show you how to use these amazing furniture lifters. They make lifting and moving furniture a piece of cake. No more struggling to move heavy objects. Simply use the lever and place the wheels under any heavy pieces of furniture. You will now be able to move large heavy objects all by yourself. This will allow you to clean under big items or move them to any place you want. They are so easy to use and make moving everything around your home a breeze. They can be used by one person, are gentle on your floors, and will allow you to rearrange your furniture with ease. So stop having to call a friend or movers every time you need to move a heavy item or need to clean under those hard-to-reach places. These furniture lifters are a game changer. They will save your back, save your wallet, and make sure you keep your home nice and clean. So there you have it, guys. In our opinion, these furniture lifters really are an amazing buy. They are easy to use, great value, and will really come in useful around your home. We have included the link to them in our description, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us in the comments. We hope you found this video helpful, and if so, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more great moving-related content.